Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to fix Wallpaper Engine not changing wallpaper. The first thing I want you to do is go ahead and open up the Wallpaper Engine app, and then I want you to try to actually change the wallpaper. We'll go ahead and change it to this one. You can go ahead and click on it and it should change it to that specific wallpaper, and that is if you have it installed. If not, you can go to the workshop and you can subscribe to that specific wallpaper. Now that we have changed the wallpaper, it should actually work. If it doesn't work and it's snapping back to the previous wallpaper, that is because usually it has the setting start with Windows enabled and it tries to snap back to it. So you just come here, click on settings, and then you click on general. And now what I want you to do is toggle this one off where it says start with Windows. Once you have this one toggled off and you click on OK, you can go ahead and attempt the same process again. Just come here, click on this arrow, right click on Wallpaper Engine, quit the application, and basically I want you to go ahead and restart Wallpaper Engine. And now as you can see, it automatically gives us our new wallpaper. Really that easy. If you found this helpful, make sure you smash that like button and subscribe to the channel. Really helps me out as well.